Greetings, I am Attorney Sapphire As the Cooperative Secretary of this esteemed cooperative, it is both a privilege and an honor to address you today. For the year 2023, Cebu CFI Community Cooperative has passed a total number of 262 board resolutions. Further, I would like to present to you the minutes of the 53rd General Assembly held last April 15 and 22, 2023. Next, I would like to present to you the proposed amendments to the Articles of Cooperation and the Cooperative Bylaws, which were presented and approved by the Board of Directors last March 21, 2024 during its regular board meeting. To the Articles of Cooperation, the proposed amendment shall be made in the goals of the cooperative under Article 3 and shall include the engaging of insurance underwriting in life, property, and health and be made available to cooperatives and members of cooperatives in the country. To the Cooperative Bylaws, the proposed amendment shall be made in Article 5 on committees regarding the qualifications of the Audit Committee and Election Committee members and shall also include the respective disqualifications. Further, it is proposed to amend the conduct of the General Assembly under Article 3, Section 4 of the Bylaws from the second week of April to the third week of April.
For Article 9 on the allocation and distribution of net surplus, the proposed amendments shall be made in paragraphs B and C of Section 1, which concerns the Education and Training Fund and Community Development Fund, respectively. The proposed amount on the allocation shall be 1/4 of 1% of the net surplus of the Education and Training Fund, while the Community Development Fund shall be 3% of the net surplus.
These items are presented electronically for your perusal and approval at CFI Online upon registration. In conclusion, I extend my gratitude to you for your active participation and collaboration in the continued success of Cebu CFI Community Cooperative. Thank you.